The day was July 16th, 1969. Apollo 11 and its crew, Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, were preparing for the voyage to the moon. Their mission was to fulfill a goal set by President John F. Kennedy in 1961 to land a crew on the moon and return to Earth, as well as conduct scientific exploration and experiments while on the moon. The crew was in orbit for 109 hours, 42 minutes before docking on the moon. During this time, the crew each had their own duties. Neil Armstrong was the commander of the shuttle. Michael Collins was the command module pilot, meaning he flew the crew on the shuttle Columbia. Buzz Aldrin piloted the lunar module named the Eagle. The Eagle was the vehicle used while on the surface of the moon. While in orbit, the crew did 2 TV transmissions, the purpose being to update the public on the status of their mission in space. The public got their first glimpse of the crew on the moon on July 20th, when Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin exited the Columbia and took their first steps on the moon. Here, Neil uttered the now famous line,
"It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind."
Neil Armstrong later recounted what he felt and saw while on the surface of the moon. It suddenly struck me that the tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put up my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. It didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. Buzz Aldrin summed it up in this way. From the distance of the moon, Earth was 4 times the size of a full moon seen from Earth. It was a brilliant jewel in the black velvet sky, yet it was still at a great distance, considering the challenges of the voyage home. While on the moon, Armstrong and Aldrin gathered lunar surface samples, never going further than 300 feet from the Eagle. They were on the surface of the moon for more than 2.5 hours. 195 hours, 18 minutes, 35 seconds into the mission, Apollo 11 splashed down into the Pacific Ocean. The date was July 24th, 1969. The crew returned home, American heroes.